Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Also press the bell icon for the latest updates. Today we will learn about how we can change bank account in Deliveroo. First of all, you need to sign up or log in your account in Deliveroo. After sign up or log in your account in Deliveroo, then you just need to scroll down on dashboard of the Deliveroo. You just need to select on contact us, or you can directly select on your account. After selecting your account, you just need to see the option of payment. In payment section, you just need to add a payment method, or you can click on three dots. After clicking on three dots, you can remove or add your another card. But if you do not the same thing, you just need to click on contact. When you click on contact, there is an assistant. Ask to assistant for changing the bank details of your pay in your payment section, and give the details bank details of to assistant. It will automatically change the bank details in Deliveroo. This is a simple tutorial about how we can change bank details in Deliveroo. Thanks for watching.